Greetings from Alaska. So we wanted to share our Ring doorbell video that happened back in December. I was by myself upstairs and I heard a notification come in that something was at the door. So I went and opened the door and
there was a moose.
There was a moose. So we wanted to share that with you. Please like our video and
subscribe.
Thank you. We hope you enjoyed that little clip.
Please like and subscribe.
Until next time, bye.
Bye.